Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Modelones Polygel nail kit. This does come with a 30 milliliter 2-piece with slip solution. Alright, so today we have our builder kit set. This one here is by Modelones. This is the Poly Nail Extension Gel Kit. So this is trendy nails, quick building. They are easy to build on your own with the polygel nail art. So here is the instructions manual. This basically just tells you how to use it. You do get a little brush for the slip solution. So this works with the gel. You get a little tiny brush right here. And it comes with a nice little fancy tubing case, so it keeps it nice and clean. And then you do get the forms. I do highly recommend getting some other forms with this kit because these ones are more of a round. So here is the slip solution. This one here helps you move and model the gel. And also in here you get the base coat and the top coat. This helps cure while you're doing your poly nails. So this one right here I believe is the base coat. So I'm just going to pull that out of the little package. So this one is the base coat. It's soak off UV nails. And then the next one is the top coat. This is what you'll put after you're done with your nail. So this is the top coat. This meets all purposes for nail extensions, overlays for nail enforcements, fixing broken nails, or you need a refill. These ones here are great. This is the light pink one, and then you also get a clear color, and then you get an emery board. So one side is smooth and the other side is a bit more rough. So this nail kit here offers everything to get started. The only thing that you would need to add to this kit is a UV lamp to help set these polygels. If you're looking for a nice polygel set that gets you started to get really nice nails, I would highly recommend checking this one out. And I'd also recommend getting other forms because these ones are a little bit more round. You want something more straight so they can stay on when you form the nail. So I would definitely highly recommend checking these Modelones nail kit.